Well, AI is still untrustworthy.
Why do you say that?
We've seen many cases in the past where AI learns a bit too much and then starts acting fishy. In 2016, Microsoft unleashed an AI chatbot called Tay, which they shut down after it turned into a racist, Holocaust-denying conspiracy theorist after less than a day of interacting with users on Twitter. I mean, I can't blame Tay. Twitter is just unhealthy. But companies did not learn from this when, in 2022, Meta publicly launched their own chatbot called BlenderBot 3. These screenshots tell you exactly how well all of that AI technology went.
Did not learn anything.
It's as if all AI veer into racist and biased territory. This includes the other project Meta was involved in, Galactica, which they shut down already because it had a high propensity for racism and bias. We're seeing the same thing happening to ChatGPT, but to a lesser extent, although users have found ways around getting the AI to be biased. Stack Overflow, the internet's go-to Q&A forum for programming guidance, has temporarily blocked OpenAI's new chatbot ChatGPT.
They must have cut me.
Moderators of the site said, because the average rate of getting correct answers from ChatGPT is too low, the posting of answers created by ChatGPT is substantially harmful to the site and to users who are asking or looking for correct answers. Guys, even Microsoft doesn't trust its own things.
Why are you running?
And that's why it's so shocking to me when a judge used ChatGPT for a court case.
Now, a Colombian judge has startled people by admitting that he used the artificial intelligence tool ChatGPT to aid his decision-making.
Or at the very least, the first time that we are aware of it.
What are they hiding?
How can you trust something that we just created recently to make correct decisions of real-life situations, especially when that very thing is known for giving wrong answers?
I would like to know.
To be fair, it's not as simple as it sounds initially. According to a court record dated January 30, 2023, Judge Juan Manuel Bedela Garcia, who presides over the First Circuit Court in the city of Cartagena, stated he utilized the AI tool to submit legal questions concerning the case and included its replies in his judgment. Garcia wrote that they entered parts of the legal questions posted in those proceedings into the ChatGPT and that this method was not to replace the judge's decision, but it was to reduce the time spent formulating decisions after confirming the facts given by AI. Lazy. This use case was more of a collaboration, as the judge still included his own insights and said the AI was used to extend the argument of the adopted decision. Although this time it seems like AI was used in the right way, it's not yet time to trust AI with big decisions like that.
Don't trust them.
I would even admit that I have used ChatGPT sparingly to summarize my research points for these videos, but it's always important to have a human touch so that you don't lose touch. You know what I mean?
No, we do not.
I'm actually glad that AI was used for this court case because it means that big institutions are starting to accept AI as something that is important. This will only make it better. But we should always bear in mind how dangerous this technology is to use without your human touch. Thanks for watching.